In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer all sub-account data from one GoHighLevel agency to another or eject as affiliate. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, switch over to Agency View so you're managing everything from the top level. From the left-hand menu, open Sub-Accounts. Here, you'll see the list of locations under your agency. Find the sub-account you want to move. Click the three-dot menu to the right of that sub-account, then choose Manage Client. Inside the client profile, open the Actions menu and select Transfer Sub-Account. This is where you'll choose between two paths: transferring the sub-account to another existing agency or ejecting it as a brand new account. Here's the quick difference. Transfer to an existing account moves the entire sub-account, with all its assets, into another agency that already exists in GoHighLevel. Eject as a new account creates a fresh, standalone account owned by a nominated person, removing it from your agency while preserving its data. Let's walk through transferring to an existing agency first. Choose the option to transfer to an existing account. You'll be prompted to confirm what will move. Contacts, pipelines, automations, conversations, assets, and settings typically go with the sub-account. Before proceeding, make sure any connected integrations, domains, phone numbers, and payment methods are ready to be reconnected by the receiving agency after the move. This helps avoid downtime for things like funnels, calendars, and messaging. Next, click the field for the receiving agency's relationship number. This is the unique identifier for the agency that will receive the sub-account. You'll get it directly from them. Enter or select it carefully to ensure the sub-account lands in the correct place. When you're ready, click Request Transfer. The request is sent to the receiving agency for approval. Keep an eye on the status. Once accepted, the move begins, and may take a few minutes depending on data size. Now, if you need to eject the sub-account as a new account, go back to Actions and choose Transfer Sub-Account again. This time, select Eject as a new account. Click Select Nominee. Choose an existing user tied to the sub-account or enter the nominee's email address. This person will become the new account owner. Review the summary so you understand what's included and that your agency will no longer manage the sub-account once the ejection completes. Confirm the action. The nominee will receive an email to accept ownership and set up billing. Once they finish, the new account is live with all the data carried over. That's it. If this helped you cleanly move or spin off a client, subscribe for more.